Good afternoon, YouTube family. This is Shirley coming to you with a fall tag. I hope you guys are enjoying the new season and that everybody is just moving into a nicer, slower pace of, I think time changes at this time too. So everything just calms down a little bit. Let it not be too much of a rush. No one's in a hurry. Everything is going really fast. So it's time where it just needs to unwind a little bit. So I found a tag, clean living with Jen is where I got this tag from. I'll probably will link it down below, but I'll definitely will have the 10 questions down there as well. So I'll start with the tag questions. Number 1, favorite fall candle. It's gonna be this one from Bath and Body Works, and this one is called Leaves. And I brought it out because it's that time again. Number 2, love them or leave them. Black licorice, you could leave. Candy corn is in the middle. Pumpkin spice, everything, that's somewhere in the middle as well. Don't like too much of it. Favorite fall drink, it's eggnog. I love eggnog when it comes out again. Favorite fall recipe is what I always make. It's gonna be cornbread dressing. Cornbread dressing. What makes fall special to you? It's just a time when you gather with family a lot. You get a lot of time off around that time frame as well to spend time with the family. You feel good before you return back to that work environment. It's the time where you get more breaks with the family and you just really enjoy each other. Be the main reason why I love fall so much. Plus Thanksgiving, and you eat a lot of food. Number 6, what things signify what things significant to you fall has begun? What things signify to you fall has begun? Well, to me, when the weather changes a little bit, where you do feel that it's not extremely hot in the morning, that would be a time frame where you kind of feel the breeze outside and you're like, oh my gosh, it's coming, fall is coming. But it changes midday, like around 10 o'clock, it gets back into the 90s. So you get it for a moment in the morning here in the South. All right, 7, favorite fall color. I love the rich yellow, dark yellow, orange, burnt orange, and green, forest green. Those are the 3 colors that I love during this season. Number 8, pick a favorite apple pie or pumpkin pie. I love apple pie. 9, things about fall you dislike the most. Sometimes, not all the time. There's a lot of activities that happen, and then you get stuck into doing activities instead of really spending time with each other. There's a lot of programs out there that's pushing you from here to there to do different things, not only the community or the schools or the church. There's a variety of things, and you kind of need to step back and just take some time to enjoy each other, kind of thing. Oh, and that's normally around Thanksgiving. And number 10, do you have any fall traditions? Our tradition is to cook food and eat. And our tradition is it's not the traditional look that everyone has. We're from the islands, so We cook a lot of different types of food, which is good, and it's not a lot. We are not trying to overdo it now. We're trying to make sure we have very good portion control. We don't try to waste food again like we did years ago. We just make sure we enjoy ourselves and just have very small dishes here and there where it's not going to waste. All right, and that was the last question. If you guys want to do this tag, please let me know that you guys are doing it so that I could go ahead and watch. I'll have the questions listed in the ladies link that I found these tags from as well. All right, continue on being a blessing to others, and I will talk to you guys very soon.